what's up, guys? So as you guys know, uh, I'm a PS5, PS4 Pro gamer. I love to play guitar. I love to have fun. Now, one of the things that I can't do right now that I'm in training is go out that much and try and get clothes. So I was a little bit skeptical about this. I'm not getting paid for any type of thing by this company, but I do want to encourage you guys to look into more information about this. I ordered this about maybe a week ago and I got it, and it's very quick shipping, very neat. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what I'm getting. The company is called Thread Beast. They're supposed to send you shorts. Right now they have an offering where they actually include sneakers, so you can take advantage of that, free sneakers and stuff like that. I put in the code. Hopefully I'll get some nice sneakers. I'm not really sure what I'm getting, but like I said, the company is called Thread Beast. So without any further ado, let's go into the box and see what we have. This is the box that actually comes in it. This is how they packed it. It's pretty decent pack. It comes through UPS. They're the ones that deliver, so let's get started. Alright, so this, from what I've seen, it opens like a shoebox. Whoa. So I didn't know it brought underwear, so they do bring underwear. PSD red underwear, 95% cotton. Alright, that's good stuff. Tango Hotel. It's the first time me hearing about this company, but this shit looks freaking good. Diamond Supply. Oh, these are some nice shorts. I like to wear shorts like this. The quality feels very good. It's medium too. So you put the sizes of the shirts, the pants, the sizes of your pants. So I'm a 32, 30 long, 32, 30, and that's what I put. Oh wow! Look at this nice set of pants. See, they put 32. I can see it right now, right there. 32, and the length is 30. Yeah, so they put exactly that's, you know, like 32, 30. This pants is really nice. Oh wow! Wait, hold on a second. I need to. This look kind of similar to Converse, but they look so like much more unique. This very nice. I can't wear what size they bring. Hopefully they didn't make no mistake. The size is 8.5, which is my size. Oh, I didn't know that they're gonna put some sandals. It says classic. I don't know. These are size 9, which usually that's what I do with sandals. They look nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, Crooks and Castle. And this is another shirt. It says Boulevard USA. Everything looks freaking nice. This looks freaking nice. Like, I'm really happy with what it came. I couldn't be happier. Now, like I said, you can go follow them. Go to threadbees.com, or follow them on Instagram, #threadbees. They are pretty good. I paid for the one before, the most expensive one, and it came really quick. It brought some shoes, it brought a hat, which I love hats. I have this right back there, right here. There's 2 of my hats. I have a lot more at home. So I like wearing hats. So this was a good combination of clothes. So hey, like if you like it, make sure you go look at them. You know, it's freaking good. And to end this, have a good day. Peace.